Yo, what's poppin', everybody? It's your girl Ari coming right back at you with another video, and today is Wednesday, so of course I'm coming with a wig video. And today we'll be featuring Allove Hair Company and their loose deep hair, which I love. But before I get into how much I like this hair, let's just get into installing it. So of course I always start off with just putting the wig on my head without cutting the lace, just to see how it looks, to see how the lace is looking. As you can see, it's not blending in with my skin at all, but it's not bad. So I know I just need to add a little powder and it's gonna be looking a-okay. And obviously I'm just like flipping it and see. You'll see eventually I'm gonna go with the middle part. And yo, am I the only one who snags my hair every time I take off a wig? Like, it's painful. That's the face because I look crazy as heck, but it's okay. So I put the powder on and y'all look, you already see the difference? Y'all see what a little powder can do? It is practically melted into my skin. It's not melted yet, but it's ready to. So I'm just showing you guys how good this lace is looking right now with just a little powder. And no, I didn't pluck it because I'm lazy and I don't like plucking hair anymore. But if you want to do that, go ahead. It would look more natural. So remember when I said I decided to do a middle part after? This is how I did it. So I went ahead with my Got To Be Freeze spray. I'm not sure if this video is going up first or the previous one that I just edited, but I just went off on this method because let me tell you about this method. This method works. It just works for me, like cutting the lace and then putting the lace on top of my head and then spraying the Got To Be spray. Yo, it just melts everything perfectly. It's not messy, it's not sticky, and it dries so much more quickly than the other methods for some reason. This method just works so good and it gets my sides down. I finally defeated that. I finally know how to lay the sides down. So I'm happy with this method, and I just take my blow dryer on the cool setting and then blow dry it until it is completely dry. Not till it's tacky, but completely dry. So as you can see, I decided to leave it in real time because I didn't want to speed it up so that you'll be able to see exactly how long it takes to dry this. Now, if you know the other methods with the Got To Be and the Ghost Bond and the Bold Hold, all those different methods, even the Got To Be spray, when you spray it on your scalp first, it actually takes so long to dry and it's so annoying. But when you do this method, for some reason it dries quicker, so you don't have to be going through this long process. And bing bang boom, it's done, it's dry. Like, that was it. And here you can see me putting on a second layer just for more security, but that is totally optional. It depends on how long you want your wig to be on. So now I'm speeding it up because we've already seen how long it took to dry. So I hope this method's helpful if you didn't know about it before. If you already knew about it, well, shoot, sis, you were holding back on me. Well, holding out on me. That makes more English. That makes more English. Wow, I can't English. Anyway, the rest of this video is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm gonna leave you guys alone and then I'll come back if I need to, which I will actually. So I'll be back in a few seconds. So now that we are done with the blow drying, I'm gonna just take my silk headscarf and just tie my hair down for a few minutes, and that just helps melt the lace in perfectly. And then after 5 minutes, I take it down and then I start working on my baby hairs. Yes, sis. Listen, I was just going off. I was so happy with the results. I was just yelling scalp because it looks like scalp. Shoot. So I just take my water just to prep my hair to do the baby hairs. It's just easier to do baby hairs for me when the hair is wet. And I will be using, as you will see soon, my hair mousse that I always use and my edge brush. So I'll leave all the products in the description box below, so don't even worry about it. And as you can see, it is totally optional to do baby hairs, but I personally like baby hairs. But if you don't worry, sis. Like, you could just rock this like this. But if you want more pizzazz, then go ahead. So yeah. y'all, so that is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for part 2 of this video if you are interested in seeing how I style this hair into all these different styles. Anyway, thank you guys so much, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.